Hello. We at Harman are proud to announce new ways that you can chat and interact with our customer support team for all your Harman Professional products. Getting help is now faster, easier, and more convenient than ever. Choose the method that works best for you. No more waiting on hold or sending emails and hoping for the best. With multiple chat options, support is now right at your fingertips anytime you need it. WhatsApp chat is now supported. Message us at country code +1 555 752 2154. You can also message our team right from your phone using standard SMS. The number is +1 769 295 0557. Message and data rates may apply. By contacting us, you consent to receive messages from Harman Professional related to your inquiry. Live chat is also available directly from our Anytime Help Center using a web browser from a phone, tablet, or computer. Links will be in the description below. Live chat is available during business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. U.S. Central Time, excluding holidays. Holiday closures can be found on the live chat support page. If outside our regular hours, please send us a message through our Anytime Help Center. We'll respond to your message as soon as possible. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.